Okay, today's tasks. Rinse all of the staining from the sawdust that blew in here. There's lots of tannins in the wood and it leached out of the water and now it's sitting on top of the stonework. So another lesson learned, but it's easily resolved. All right, I use this as my dust away from the pool method. Keeps the dust blowing in a... Oh, and we're plasticking off all of the cloth. Plasticking off all of the cloth. And, you know, we don't want to try getting dust out of any of the fabric. The sanding machine I was using yesterday makes very, very big sawdust molecules. Not molecules, but whatever you want to call it, but it's big like mulch. All right, and we're going to rinse all of this mess off that way. And for lack of a better way to deal with the left side, I got to rinse it out over the deck. How the hell I don't even know how dust got over here. It just blew up during the project. But okay. Caesar, you think if we wash this and use the shop vac, I don't have to let it run into the... I could probably clean that with a scrub brush. I don't know how detailed the boss wants me to get on cleaning this because I see dust and I see algae and I wonder if he wants it clean, like for the party just, or to get the red out because, well, either way, I'm going to make it look respectable. Yeah, there's tannin in the wood. It's almost like tea. You soak this mahogany in water, it's going to put a very red tinge to it. All right, today's goal, get as much sanding done around 1:30, 2 o'clock. Do a good thorough cleanup.